Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Coming in at number 20, we have Susan Wojcicki of YouTube for developing new apps and experiences on a YouTube platform for those dedicated YouTube users.
Susan Wojcicki has an early eye for companies that will change the world. In 1998, she rented out the garage of her Menlo Park, California home to a couple of guys named Sergey and Larry, who were working on a little startup called Google.
I wish I could say, oh, I saw them, they were so brilliant, but no, I just wanted to cover the mortgage.
That's all it was.
Initially, that's
Right.
all it was. But then I began to use their product. And there was actually a moment where I was at work, and it was so early in Google's life, and so the service went down. And I thought, wow, I can't do my work because it's become so essential to me.
Right.
And it was in that moment where the light bulb went off. I thought, this is going to be important, and I really want to work here.
Wojcicki left a good job at Intel to become employee number 16 at Google.
Well, 4 people joined the day before me. So I just want to tell you that if I had joined one day earlier, I would have been even earlier.
In 2006, Wojcicki convinced Google that the company should acquire YouTube.
There were a lot of people that really questioned the acquisition. I remember there was even a headline that said, only a moron would buy YouTube.
Not that you're keeping track or anything.
No, not that we're keeping track, exactly.
YouTube grew along with the careers of creators who had found a new platform to spread their work. From the Lonely Island guys to Justin Bieber
I'm gonna tell to the whole wide world.
and K-pop sensation Psy,
Oppan Gangnam Style.
whose Gangnam Style video was the first ever with 1 billion views. But YouTube also has created a new kind of celebrity, as famous and as wealthy as rock stars.
Let's open it.
Ryan, who does the toy reviews, who made $22 million last year at 7 years old. Does that stuff blow your mind that your platform has allowed a 7-year-old playing with toys to make $22 million?
It's amazing to me whenever I hear the stories of creators, people who did hair, they did makeup, they did woodworking, and then they were actually able to turn it into a career. And we're constantly growing. So the number of creators, for example, who are earning 6-figure incomes from YouTube actually grew 40% year on year last year.
Homegrown niche YouTube communities have started major trends in beauty,
The power of makeup.
launched the near billion-dollar market of watching other people play video games. And then there's the slime.
We have probably moved the glue market as a result of all the slime videos.
But YouTube is not just entertainment.
All of a sudden, oh, the Arab Spring is playing out on YouTube, where presidential debates are taking place on YouTube. Was that a concerted thing for you guys to think about, let's elevate this?
YouTube is known for initially the cat videos, but then we started seeing, wow, this is a platform that can have these far-reaching implications. So right now we're very focused on the responsibility that comes with that.
It's a big responsibility for a massive global platform that relies on billions of everyday users. Since the time of our interview, companies including Disney, AT&T, and Hasbro pulled their ads from YouTube after a user pointed out a pattern of predatory comments on videos of children.
I'm making this video with only one intention, and that is to bring awareness to this.
YouTube responded, saying, "We took immediate action by deleting accounts and channels and reporting illegal activity to authorities." The company announcing on Thursday it will disable all comments on videos featuring young children. The issue of policing content that grows exponentially by the day remains YouTube's greatest challenge.
We committed to having 10,000 people focused on controversial content by the end of last year. But we also use machines along with the people.
How do you guys decide And how does a machine decide what should and should not be on YouTube?
We release and we say these are community guidelines, but we're constantly refining them, and that's because the world is changing. And so when we make changes to our policies, we usually consult with experts, whether they are experts in child safety, experts in law enforcement, like understanding where's the best place to draw the line.
It's critical that we're on the right side of history.
Wojcicki ranks among Silicon Valley's most powerful women, but she's near the top of a list that still is far too short.
But what else can we do as a society to get more women in this field?
When we did research at Google on this, the women who were successful are in tech now. Someone in their life encouraged them. And tech needs more women. We'll have better innovation, we'll have better products, and it will be better for society in the long term.
You know, Susan has really developed a lot of experiences that we experience fully on a daily basis. Even these videos are on YouTube. And it's just a great thing to have a creative leader that continues to innovate and develop products for a platform that is so ubiquitous as YouTube. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. And we're always aiming for that. So, from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.